Hi, I'm back. This time I'm expanding our wild leek garden in the back 40, way back by the woods. We're on the edge of Pictured Rocks National Lakeshore Park. And Ken and I just went out in the woods to our secret spot, picked wild leeks, and I had enough for a whole bucket full of plantable leeks with roots, with bulbs. So I'm going to expand our leek garden and see how it takes this year. It's a really dry year, but I think we can do it if we give it a little tender, loving care. So here's my bucket of leeks. And here's the old leek bed, part of it. And I dug a trench. And I filled it with fertilizer water. I have a big black barrel full of comfrey leaves and a little bit of rabbit manure, chicken manure, weeds, all kinds of things from last year actually. So I'm going to see how it takes, and I'll get back and show you the results when I'm done planting. I thought I'd show you what it looks like when we pull up the leeks by the base. They come up sometimes with little roots. So that's what, and we just leave the leaves on and any debris that comes up with it. And I soak it in a bucket, usually overnight, so I can dig up the garden. And then I plant them in the trench, cover them over, give them another dose of fertilizer water, and they're good to go. These were just planted. And for those of you with OCD, I'm so sorry I didn't get the spacing exactly right, but the bugs are horrible. I'm just waiting to get this job done and get back inside. See you later. Well, job's done. I'm out of here. The mosquitoes and blackflies, they love it. I do not. Bye.